play a slower one to close us out. Yeah, I grew up in West Virginia, then moved to Virginia, then Florida for a little, then back to Virginia, then Tennessee. So this song's just about being away from home, I suppose. Well, I left home so long ago for that flatter country where the lonesome wind blows. And there's something about the smoke in the air that it makes me feel alone. Mama, I ain't riding home no more. Well, I'd been cold, so down south I go. I'm running from harsher winters, but I found my sleet and snow. And I ain't got a bed, so I made one on the floor. Mama, I ain't riding home no more. Well, I had a woman so long ago, and I thought she'd be by my side till I was gray and old. But now she don't love me, and she hit the road. Mama, I ain't riding home no more. Well, my mind has trouble and I can't think. Yeah, I've got me some scars that can't nobody see, and I only talk about them to these strings. So mama, don't wait up for me. Mama, I ain't riding home no more. Well, I left home so long ago for that flatter country where the lonesome wind blows. And when that wind gets going, Lord, it'll cut you to the bone. So mama, I ain't riding home no more. Thank you.